Is somebody stealing your Amazon title, bullet points, or description? If so, I'm going to be showing you how to get them removed and taken off of Amazon in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. And if you stay towards the end, I'm also going to be giving you 3 extra copyright infringement tips to get those fakes removed. Now let's dive in. So the first thing that you're going to do is go into Amazon Seller Central and you're simply going to log in. Next thing you're going to do is open up a second tab, go to brandregistry.amazon, sign up or sign in. If you don't have an account and you have to sign up, make sure you use the same exact login credentials as your Amazon Seller Central so that way it gets connected. Once you're here, make sure you have a trademark enrolled. You need a trademark. That's just Amazon's policies. So enroll a brand right here and get a trademark. If you don't have a trademark, we can help you. But if you have a trademark, you're gonna go to protect, report a violation. Now you're gonna find that one ASIN that's copying your title, bullet points, whatever. And we have one right here that's copying our clients. And the example is this one. It says Hijackers Family 4-pack, right? So they're selling a 4-pack. And then if we look on our client's website, it literally says Family 4-pack. So they're literally copying our title, and this is grounds to get them removed. Of course, we can also edit our website and add the keywords Hijackers Family 4-pack to make it exactly the same. So what we want to do now is copy their ASIN. It's B as in boy right up here. You're going to put that in. And now we're just going to report the entire listing because let's be honest, you want the entire listing to get taken down. And you click right here, you're going to click copyright infringement. And then you're going to say copyrighted text is used without authorization. And now you're going to click brand name, make sure it's the same brand name that is on your website. So for Hijackers, it'd be Hijackers, and then link to copyrighted work. So now I'm just going to link to the copyrighted work. Amazon loves websites. So if you have a website, this is going to work. If you don't have a website, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Make sure you update your website and then it kind of has like the same information as the one you're reporting. But here we go. We're going to go right here, put that in there. And then Amazon already provides us with pretty much a template on what to say. But all you're going to say is this ASIN, you're going to put this ASIN has copied our title on our website. So you're going to put this ASIN, copy the title on our website. It has nearly the identical title as our website. And you're going to put the website link in, you're going to put the ASIN in, and you're going to say, so since they copied us, that is copyright infringement. We would like you to remove them from Amazon. And then boom, the next 24 hours, they should get removed from Amazon. And if they're not removed, then I'm going to be giving you the 3 pro tips for staying towards the end of the video. So number 1 is maybe Amazon's taking their time reviewing the request. So you want to go to monitor submission history and you want to double check maybe Amazon is still reviewing it, or maybe if it's approved. If it's approved, they're taken down. If it's denied, that's when you have to check your email. So you're going to check your email with the same one that you reported the infringement with. And you're going to see, why did Amazon not accept it? Did you not provide enough information? Did you provide the wrong information? Did you provide the wrong ASIN? What did you do that is the reason that Amazon didn't accept it? So that's my other pro tip. Finally, the next one is going to be doing a test buy. So sometimes Amazon won't accept it simply because you didn't actually purchase the product. That's just part of their policy. So what you need to do is when you're logged into Brand Registry, go to Amazon and then you're going to actually add this to cart. You're going to buy it. Once it's purchased, you're going to go to your orders and get that order ID. Make sure that it's delivered. And once it's delivered, get that order ID and then you're going to report it to Amazon. And in your appeal, in the provide more information, also mention that you did place an order and give them the order ID. This is going to increase your chances of success by around 95%. So if you do a test buy, you're pretty much going to get it accepted as long as you're reporting the right information. And then finally, under your submission history, you can escalate it. So if it is denied, you can actually escalate it and get it reviewed again by somebody from Brand Registry. That's your moment to attach photos, attach your website, attach a PDF, and be like, look, they're literally copying the same exact title from our website, right? Our website's Hickaway, it says family 4-pack, there it says Hickaway family 4-pack, right? And provide that information to Amazon, and that's going to help you get them removed. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe because we're releasing a lot of great videos that's going to help you on your Amazon journey. And don't forget, if you do need help selling on Amazon or getting fakes removed, contact EHP Consulting Group. Not only do we remove fakes, but we offer full Amazon account management, which means you have your own dedicated consultant, which is removing fakes for you, managing your Amazon ads, managing your customer service, and helping you increase your sales. That's one of our best services there, and you can contact EHP Consulting Group to grab it up. Talk to you soon.